What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Miguel. You're watching Miguel EDC, the channel where we talk everything EDC gear here. And today you're seeing me, Miguel in the flesh, right? Figure I come on camera for once. We're celebrating a 3-year anniversary of the channel, so I might as well turn the camera around and show you guys my face, because why not, right? Face reveal 2026. I'm kidding. I have been dropping hints here and there. I have shown my face before multiple times, so it is nothing new, but it may be the first time you see me. Welcome. My name is Miguel. Really appreciate you being here. Thank you so very much. Guys, I'm very excited to share so much with you in this video. The support has been through the roof. 50 plus, almost close to 60,000 subscribers has been absolutely insane, and I couldn't be more grateful for everything that you guys have done to make this possible. I am sort of living the dream to do what I actually love, what I'm passionate about. Wake up every day to really have fun and just really call my job a dream, really. Check out new knives, check out new gear, make videos about them for you guys' viewing pleasure, and it's just really a dream come true in every possible way you can imagine. So 2025 was absolutely amazing. There's so much growth that happened during the year. I want to share a few bits and details with you guys, just again from a place of gratefulness. Super humble and grateful to you guys for this massive growth. The channel also turned 3 years old in January this year. I look back at the date, and January 12th, 2023 was when this channel or this account was made. And so, yeah, we're basically 3 years in. Most of it was part-time. And as of June 27th of 2025, guys, you all helped me do this thing full-time. Some of you guys know the background story. I got laid off from my job. They're basically downsizing AI, outsourcing work elsewhere to other cheaper countries and all that. So I lost my 9 to 5. I have no other source of income but the channel. So I took a plunge. I took a leap of faith and decided to, hey, let's just try this thing full time. The next 3 months, 6 months, see what happens. And guess what? I put in the work, but you guys showed up and really supported the channel. You watched the videos, you liked, you commented. And we're starting 2026. And I'm doing this full time, guys. And I'm happy to announce the way things are going, I'm going to be doing this full time for the foreseeable future. So things have worked out. Thank God. I'm really grateful for the opportunity to actually be able to call this my job and do it full time. It was a very hectic, hesitant, process over the last, 6 months or so, trying to figure out, is it going to work out? Is it not going to work out? Is this possible? Is it not possible? But the truth is, guys, it is. You guys made it possible. And again, I couldn't be more grateful for you guys' love and support. I'm doing this video off the rails, by the way, and I got some notes here, a little bit of an outline to the side. So if you see me looking this way, that's what I got going on there. Kind of wanted to give this video some sort of a structure so I'm not all over the place. I wanted to share some quick numbers, again, not from a place of bragging or anything. I know that when my channel started, I looked up to so many other channels. And, some information like this would have been so inspiring to me in my journey. Maybe I can inspire other channels out there in this niche, or basically any other niche on YouTube. 2024 was a great year. The channel did 2.6 million views, and that's a great number. That's a huge number. But 2025 was a crazy 48.6 million views. So that completely blew 2024 out of the water. I was completely blown away looking at the numbers, kind of comparing year to year. 2024, the channel did 29,000 watch hours. So every video that you watch, every minute is counted as hours. 29,000 hours in 2024. And then 2025 was 10x, 294,000 hours. So that right there was eye-opening. I want to say it helped a lot that the second portion of the year, the last 6 months, I was in full time. The video output was a lot higher. I was putting in more time, more effort, way more focus, since I didn't have my 9 to 5 to worry about. But again, you guys also stepped in, and your support really made a huge difference. So again, really grateful for that. And as far as subscribers, this one's the one that really blew my mind. 2024, the channel did 5,394 subscribers. And in 2025, the channel gained 44,381 subscribers. The number is just bonkers. Talk about exponential growth. That was insane. Again, very eye-opener. I'm still blown away, speechless, trying to think of the words to even say thank you, right? Because again, I wasn't really expecting that kind of growth, and you guys made it all possible. So I know I keep repeating myself, but that's just, coming from the heart. Thank you guys so much. Before we jump into the giveaway, which is happening very soon here, guys, just some quick shout outs. A lot of you guys already know the channel is heavily inspired by Metal Complex. I'm not sure if MC knows this or not, but I did email him some time ago. I told him, thank you for being such a massive inspiration to the channel. I have shared the story a time or two. And also Neef's Nice, right? So I basically discovered MC's channel and Neef's Nice channel, and I basically started watching a whole bunch of their videos. And that seemed to me like a proven formula. If these folks can do it, then I can do it. And I'm telling you guys right now, if you've been thinking about doing YouTube, if I can do it and I'm just an average Joe, like let's just put it that way, that's the truth. That's really the bottom line. If I can do it, absolutely, you can do it. Anybody can do it. Also want to give a huge shout out to Kevin, aka Lefty EDC. If it wasn't for Kevin's kind heart and his knife pass around, I really wouldn't be here. It really allowed me to check out some gear, knives, and gear that I otherwise wouldn't have been able to get my hands on. You would have to like purchase and then try to resell and then try to purchase and resell. Instead, you know, you get to borrow a knife as part of the pass around, make content on it, and then pass it forward to the next person on the pass around list. And that, I don't know why so many other niches on YouTube, maybe they don't have that, but the EDC community is amazing. And again, I'm super grateful to Lefty for giving me the opportunity to be part of his knife pass around for, I want to say, over a year, almost 2 years. Right now, I'm actually getting enough gear myself to the channel directly that I don't necessarily have to plug in. But I will always be super grateful to Kevin and his pass around for giving me the opportunity to check out so many knives that I wouldn't have been able to check otherwise. You could make a point and say that the channel wouldn't have grown to the point that it has if it wasn't because I was able to get my hands on so much gear and be able to make content on it. And also a quick shout out to Dennis from EDC for Fun. I came across Dennis's channel and I started commenting here and there, and I found out about Lefty's knife pass around through Dennis's channel, Dennis from EDC for Fun. He mentioned that a knife that he got in was part of the knife pass around from Lefty EDC. Then I started looking into it. I reached out to Lefty. Dennis actually put in a good word for me, which again, I'm still grateful to this day. I'm just a random guy. You know, why would you trust a random person who has no credibility? You know, he just showed up in the scene like yesterday, but they gave me a shot and I'm really grateful for that. And fast forward to today, here we are, guys, over 50,000 subscribers. I mean, there's so many other channels that I could mention right now. I'm thinking of Tim School of Fish comes to mind. I think I discovered Dennis's channel through Tim School of Fish's channel, if that makes any sense. But I also learned a lot about slip joint knives, and I learned a lot about traditional knives through Tim's channel. I even bought a knife off of Tim. I still have it, the Civivi Counter-Strike, one of my favorite EDC knives of all times. And I could go on and on and on. So many channels that have been instrumental to my journey. One other one that comes to mind, and I really want to make sure I mention this one, Cole from Tri-State EDC. When I had recently been laid off, I made a video about it. Cole was doing a live stream, and he basically gave me a shout out, and about, I want to say close to 100, maybe 150 new subscribers joined the channel that night. I was really blown away. And again, really grateful that Cole had a kind heart to do that. All these channels are highly recommendable, guys. I'm going to be linking to all of them down below, so definitely check them out. Chances are, if you're in the EDC community, you already know about those channels as well. You have to be basically living under a rock not to know, but in case you're not already subscribed, please double check. The links are below. Make sure you subscribe to those folks as well. My heart goes out to them. I'm really grateful for all the support in one way or another. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one, either this one or this one. Peace.